Let's switch it up this cookout season and make this chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Meet me in the kitchen. Let's make it happen. This one is super easy, guys. All you gotta do is dice up your veggies, break down 1 rotisserie chicken, and then chop up some bacon. Add all the good stuff to your cooked pasta. Feel free to use whatever pasta shape you like. Just make sure you salt that pasta water. Throw in some ranch seasoning, ranch dressing, and some cheese, because why the hell not? We're here for a good time, not a long time. Brace yourself for a trademark money shot. Say it with me, guys. Looking good. Everything you need is in the caption. Now it's your turn to make it happen.